Here's a 2012 Lexus GX 460. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll bar, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com remarks, over the bumps, the GX provides a supple ride that belies its truck-like underpinnings. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.